Tello versus Mint Mobile, which is better? Today we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. Here is my honest opinion. Tello. What are the pros? Customizable plans. Tello allows you to build plans tailored to your data, call, and text needs. Low monthly price. Offers some of the lowest pricing, starting at just $5 per month. No contracts. Pay month to month, giving you flexibility without a large upfront payment. Good for light data users. Great for those who don't need unlimited data and want to save on their monthly bill. International calling. Free international calls to select countries are included. What are the cons? No family discounts. There are no discounts for multiple lines. Limited hotspot data. Tello includes mobile hotspot with data plans, but the limits are smaller compared to Mint. Lower data speeds. Data speed tops out at around 300 megabits per second on the 5G network, which may not be enough for heavy users. No annual plans. Tello doesn't offer discounted long-term plans like Mint. Let's talk about features. Customizable plans. Build your own data, minutes, and text plan according to your needs. Rollover data. Allows unused data and minutes to roll over if you manually renew the plan. Unlimited texting. Included with all plans, even the most basic ones. Network. Operates on T-Mobile's network for 5G and LTE coverage. International calling. Free international calls to select countries. Let's talk about pricing. Unlimited plan, $25 per month. 35 gigabytes high-speed data, 5 gigabytes hotspot. 2 gigabyte plan, $10 per month with hotspot. Fully customizable plans. Build your plan with as little or as much data, texts, and calls as needed. Mint Mobile. What are the pros? Affordable intro prices. Mint offers great promotional pricing, with plans as low as $15 a month for the first 3 months. More hotspot data. Mint provides up to 10 gigabytes of mobile hotspot on their unlimited plan, which is double what Tello offers. Family plan discounts. Multi-line discounts available, making Mint a better option for families or users needing more than one line. Higher data speeds. Mint offers speeds up to 600 megabits per second on the 5G network, ideal for streaming and gaming. Good for data-heavy users. With up to 40 gigabytes of high-speed data on the unlimited plan, Mint is great for those who need more data. What are the cons? Upfront payment required. You must pay for service in 3, 6, or 12-month blocks, which requires a larger initial payment. No monthly plans. Unlike Tello, Mint does not offer one-month plans. No customization. You must pick from set plans with no option to tailor them to your exact data or call needs. Let's talk about features. Preset plans. Offers simple plans ranging from 5 gigabytes to 40 gigabytes. Family plans. Discounts for multiple lines with no long-term commitment. Mobile hotspot. Available with all plans, allowing for tethering and data sharing. Network. Uses T-Mobile's network with access to 5G speeds. International calls. Limited free international calls to select countries. Let's talk about pricing. Unlimited plan. $30 per month. Intro price for 12 months. 40 gigabytes high-speed data, 10 gigabytes hotspot, 5 gigabytes. Plan, $15 per month. Intro price for 12 months. 15 GB. Plan, $20 per month. Introductory price for 12 months. 20 GB plan, $25 per month. Introductory price for 12 months. As a friend, I'd suggest Mint Mobile if you're looking for a better all-around experience, especially if you plan to use more data or need family plans. On the other hand, Tello is fantastic for those who want more control over their plan and prefer a budget-friendly option with the flexibility to customize data and minutes. If you're someone who uses minimal data, Tello's flexibility can save you quite a bit.